How to fix if share my location not showing on your iPhone? If you find share my location option missing from your iPhone, then here are the fix. And the first workaround is tap on settings. Here scroll down and look for privacy and security section. Tap on it and here tap on location services and make sure that location services is duly enabled on your iPhone. If you find it enabled, then first disable it and again re-enable it. This is the first workaround, and check share my location available in your iPhone or not. Share my location, also tap on share my location and find my phone, and share my location should be turned off and turned on. Re-enable share my location on your iPhone. And the next workaround is turn on airplane mode and after sometimes turn off airplane mode. And check whether share my location is available or not. If not, go to the next fixes, tap on settings and tap on privacy and security again and location services and scroll down and make sure that the faulty app which you find share my location not available is enabled in this list or not. If you find disable here, then simply tap on it and fix set as always. If you set never, then against that app share my location will not show. The next one more method is tap on settings, tap on general and tap on software update. Keep update your iPhone with latest iOS update. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of share my location not visible.